Before starting to use the Check and Scan app, we need to know the data of your property in order to send the data to the police, or simply to fill out the traveler forms for you. Go to the main page of Check and Scan and click on the Login button in the upper right corner. Enter your email and the password you have created for our app. Once inside, click on the menu bar that says Properties and select Add a new property. Select the type of property you rent and continue filling out the fields. If you are a real estate agency or company with many properties, you probably have them cataloged with references, which is why there is a field for internal reference. Add the province and city where the property is located. Fill in the tax identification number of the owner of the property, authorized person or company. Name of the owner, authorized person or company. Click on Save and Continue. If you have a username and password for the police website, select the type of authority you work with, National Police, Civil Guard, Mossos d'Esquadra, or Ertzaintza, and enter the username and password in the corresponding fields. If, on the other hand, you do not have your police codes yet, you can use the application to generate your registration books and traveler forms by clicking on I do not have the username and password for the police panel. If you rent rooms individually, if it is a hotel, rural complex, or hostel, for example, add the names or numbers of the rooms, otherwise click on Finish. Finally, you can modify the settings of the property, always taking into account the legal requirements of your autonomous community. If you are not sure, we recommend that you leave it as it comes by default. We hope you have successfully added your first property and can start enjoying our Check and Scan app. Thanks for your attention.